Parrot Anafi. Worth a second look? Got that coming right up. When the Parrot Anafi was launched on July 1st, 2018, it was met with a lot of skepticism and negative reviews. But lately there's been a renewed interest in the Parrot Anafi, and I have several reasons why it got off to a slow start and why there's a renewed interest, and we'll get into that in a minute. First, I'd like to roll a clip from my time flying the Anafi, courtesy of my great friend Rick Smith from Drone Valley. Here's the clip. Was able to spend some time with one of my very favorite people in the drone community, Rick Smith from Drone Valley, and he gave me the wonderful opportunity of flying the Parrot Anafi. So without any further ado, we're going to roll that clip right now. I'm loving it. This is, I really like this drone here. I can't get over how quiet this is, Rick. I can't get over how quiet this is.
Yeah, I know.
It's just incredible.
Stable too.
It is. It's just, even a moderate wind, it's just. You know, I think if my memory serves me right, I think Best Buy was offering $100 off on these.
It's actually, yeah, I think it's more even over the weekend.
Yeah.
What's the price point on that?
It was, what, $699?
Yeah, I think it's down, I think below 600 at this point. I was hearing 5 or change. And they're having a Black Friday sale on it too.
It's cute.
Yeah.
Wow.
You don't know anybody with that, you know? Like the Mavic's going to be a little bit annoying in the air. That one's not. That one's,
No, this is not at all. Well, my biggest grief with the Mavic Air is it sounds like a hornet's nest.
Do you have any comments on it, honey?
What's that?
Do you have any comments?
I absolutely love getting the Anafi up here. It's light, it's nimble, it's fast. From what I saw of the camera, it looks fantastic. I definitely would absolutely recommend this drone to people. It's easy to fly, it's fun, and it's at a great price point too.
Did you want to show off any features that you like about it?
Let's go ahead and show off. Let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and take off here. And get it to hover, so you can take a good look at it. Let's move it just a little closer to us. And it's very stable. I'm very, very impressed with that. And it's quiet. I think you could probably hear it. It's one of the things that I'm gonna, and it pretty much stops on a dime. Its lateral movement is great. Controls are very responsive. And there we are on camera. I think it looked great, and the app is impressive. I really kind of like this app. I think it. And it landed. Okay, absolutely fantastic. Oh, good. Get this and put it on top of the motor.
Are there characteristics about that you like?
Yeah, you know, it is very lightweight. It's very compact. I think the camera's pretty incredible from what I can see. I'm looking at you right now as you're filming this, and it's coming through crystal clear on Rick's phone here. The quietness of this drone really impresses me, and the speed of this drone impresses me, and its lateral movement, up and down, everything. This is definitely a drone that people should consider. I would definitely put this in a category that this would be a drone you should look at, especially if it's on sale. It's a good price point. It's light. It's nimble. It's very, very, very easy to fly. I really like that, and the app's great too. I think Parrot has a home run with this. Now, how did you like that? I thought that was fantastic. The Anafi right now, it's light, it's nimble, it's easy to fly. The app is easy to use, has a great interface with it. This tilt camera was absolutely fantastic on it. It's something that I would definitely give it a look at and a strong consideration. Now, I absolutely love my time with the Anafi, as you could see. It was responsive, nimble, a joy to fly. The app was well laid out and very easy to navigate, and it was very quiet. So why did the Parrot Anafi get off to a slow start? And I have 4 reasons why that happened. Number 1 was price point. At launch, the Parrot Anafi retailed for $699, and to unlock flight modes cost $17 a piece. The price point was something that really did end up turning a lot of people away. Number 2, and this is a big one, no obstacle avoidance. Many people were looking for drones with obstacle avoidance, and the Anafi has none. Number 3 was timing, and again, this one was big as well too. The Parrot Anafi was launched on July 1st, 2018. On August 23rd, 2018, DJI launched the DJI Mavic 2 series with a drone that included zoom capabilities. The timing could not have been worse for Parrot or the Parrot Anafi. Number 4, marketing. Typically, a drone manufacturer will send out units to YouTube content creators, among others, to review for feedback so they can post videos on launch day. To my understanding, I don't remember seeing any videos on the Parrot Anafi on launch day. Okay, so why have we seen a resurgence in the Parrot Anafi? And I have 3 reasons here. Number 1, the Parrot Anafi thermal. This was, I believe, key in getting people to notice the Anafi again. The Anafi thermal will be undoubtedly a valuable tool for first responders and will definitely help save lives. It's at a great price point so that a lot of organizations can be able to afford it. Number 2, discounts. Many places have discounted the Anafi to where it's in a much better price range than the initial $699. Right now, I've seen it sell for $599 on several websites, and I know several of my friends have been able to get discounts for less than that as well. Number 3, great reviews. Several of my YouTube drone content creators have been giving the Parrot Anafi great reviews, and I'll post links in the description for you guys to go ahead and check them out. Now, for some, the lack of obstacle avoidance takes this drone off of their list, but experienced pilots find the Anafi great to fly, shoots great video, they take full advantage of the 180-degree camera, and love the dolly zoom effect. Question of the day: do you think the Parrot Anafi is worth a second look? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.